I make a move. Yeah. She say Razaki, you be king. Yeah. She feel the bed, then she go low.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Bami here again. If it's your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. I hope you stay, so please remember to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how I achieved this look, so keep watching. So we're starting off with our eyes, and I'm putting on my concealer in the shade Fun, blending it with my beauty blender from Real Techniques. I will make sure that it is well blended and then go ahead to set my lid with my Sacha buttercup powder.
She tell me she want nobody. The way she dance, she go Barbie. The way she whine, she go.
After setting, you want to just dust off the excess powder using a fluffy brush like so. And today I'm going to be using my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, going in with this brown shade on the screen. I'm just going to put that on my lid and blend it in.
When you dance, see the over me. Baby dance, I go shower you.
And then I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade still in the same palette, and I'm just gonna be applying it to the top. I'm still gonna be going in and just putting that color on multiple times until I get it the way that I want. So you just want to make sure that you are blending both colors in because you want that seamless look.
She call me king with the crown, oh. Big boy with the pound, oh. I give her one more round, oh. Money they know they frown, yeah.
So like I said, I am grabbing the same shade of yellow and just putting it on top and blending it upwards. And as soon as that's blended, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm using a mirror here because I had to really hold it up close, and that kind of got in the way. I hope you guys were able to make out what I was doing here. I'm pretty much just cutting my crease using my concealer and a glam brush. And then I'm going to be going in with the Nubia 2 palette, still from Juvia's Place, and I'm grabbing the shade Nairobi. And I'm going to be putting that on top of the concealer that I've used to cut my crease. So I'm just going in with different small brushes just to kind of get in there and apply that shadow exactly how I want it.
If you're down with me, throw your ones up. We go turn up all night. All the way to the sun go up. We go turn up all night. And if you're down, let me know.
And then I'm going in with this shade, still in the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm just going to be applying it to the ends of my cut crease to kind of just blend it in so it kind of fades from like a yellowish gold to a brown. And you just want to make sure that you're blending that properly and just kind of blend it inwards so it looks like they are fading into each other. I hope that makes sense, but I'll try and show you guys as much as I can. And then I'm going to be going into the palette and grabbing the same shade of yellow and just putting it on my crease and blending it upward. And if you guys see me stopping and just looking straight into the camera, it's because I'm trying to see if I'm still in focus. I'm grabbing this flat brush and I'm just taking the same yellowish golden shade and just putting it on to make sure that it is there and popping. I'm grabbing this orange shade and just putting it there so that it kind of blends and fades out.
Yeah, but girl, I'm calling, inviting them all in. Yeah, baby, can you see? I'ma let them be.
Here is what it looks like. I'll be doing my liner and my lashes off camera. Now we're moving on to the face, and I'm starting with my primer, going in with my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and I'm using the same beauty blender to just kind of blend that foundation all over my face.
No drama. She says she no one, no wahala, yeah.
And I'm just taking my foundation brush and just going over it to kind of make sure that everything is looking sweet. So today for highlight, I'm gonna be doing it a bit differently just because I was thinking instead of going really light, I could just use the concealer in the shade Chestnut. It wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, so I just kind of went over it with my Fawn concealer, and yeah, I'm just blending in my contour, and I'll go ahead and blend in my concealer. I actually like this method better because I wasn't putting on a lot of the Fawn concealer just because I already had the Chestnut on my face, but it just kind of made it a bit brighter, and yeah, I really like that. So we're gonna do it like we always do. You want to go ahead and blend in your highlight and your contour, make sure that they are seamless, and then you will go ahead and today I'm gonna be setting my face using my Sacha buttercup powder and my white translucent powder. I like mixing both of them at the same time. Sometimes if I'm kind of going for a look that's not so yellow but also not so white, so I kind of like the look that the mixture gives, and that's what I'm going to be doing today.
It's Friday, link up with my brothers on the highway. Spend along with me, I have to fly with. Yeah, me I have to fly with. Friday, link up with my brothers on the highway. Spend along with me, I have to fly with. Yeah, me I have to fly with.
And here I'm just using what is left of my contoured shade in my Kat Von D palette, and I'm just going to be putting that on my face and just contouring my face as usual.
This life is a holiday. Some people go sample crazy, some people go run away. Cause it's a mad thing when I rest. Camera splash when
And then I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and just dust off my powder that I've used to set my highlight.
down, you know how I do. Flipping designer clothes, couple thousand for the show.
After that, I'm going to be using the same shade that I've used to contour my face, to contour my nose, and I really like using this brush because it's a bit hard but not too hard, and it just kind of blends out well when I use it to blend out my powder, contour or highlight. And then I'm taking a light shade from the same contour palette, and I'm just setting my nose, like the bridge of my nose with it. And then I'm going to be going in with my favorite setting spray. It's the NYX setting spray, the dewy finish, and I'm just going to be spraying that all over my face, carefully avoiding my eyes because I do not like to spray my eyeshadow. I find that it kind of just makes everything melt, if that makes sense, but like it kind of doesn't stay the way that it is right now, and when I blink I start to see like the shadow creasing up, and I don't like that. I'm gonna be lining my lips using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil that I've picked up from Walmart. I really like it for my lips because I don't know, I just like it.
Don't survive. I woke up in Gexy.
And after that, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. Yes, I really love this lipstick because it's like a nude but like a brown. It's not a really nudie nude or like a brownie brown, if that makes sense. So what I like to do after I put on my lipstick is just kind of go over my lipstick and my liner with this LA Pro Girl lip liner. And don't worry, I'm gonna leave all the products that I've used in the description box below with their names. I cannot remember the name of this lip liner at the moment, so it's gonna be there. And then I'm taking my highlighter from Makeup Forever. I love this highlighter. It's so funny how I never use my other highlights because I really love this highlight so much. Yeah, I'm just gonna be highlighting the usual, my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, my nose. And I don't remember what song I was dancing to here, but yeah. I'm gonna highlight the corner of my eyes. I really like that look, but not every time. But I guess today is one of the days where I really like this look, so I'm gonna do it. And I'm also highlighting my Cupid's bow. I don't usually do this, but I felt that it'd be cute, so why not?
She tell me she know I nobody.
And here is the final look.
She tell me she no be gold digger. She just want a big papi. She tell me she know I nobody. She tell me she know I nobody. She tell me she no be gold digger.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't seen my last videos, I will leave a link to them up on the screen, so feel free to check them out. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
She tell me